How to reactivate your Instagram account quickly and easily. If you've temporarily deactivated your account and want to start using it again, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. On the login screen, enter the username, email address, or phone number associated with your account, then type in your password. Next, tap Login. If your account was only temporarily deactivated, Instagram will automatically reactivate it once you successfully sign in. If you see an incorrect password message, tap Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset your password before trying to log in again. Keep in mind that if you recently deactivated your account, it may take a few hours before Instagram allows you to reactivate it. Also, if your account has been permanently deleted, it can't be restored, and you'll need to create a new account instead. Once you're logged in, your profile, posts, followers, and messages should be available just as they were before. And that's it. That's how you can reactivate your Instagram account in just a few easy steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.